Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make Instagram Reels. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and hit bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now open your Instagram app. After that, tap on add icon. Now scroll to Reel option. After that, tap on add icon on the bottom left of your screen. Choose the video and tap on add on the top right of your screen and then tap on next. Here in this section you can edit your clip, or you can add on audio, or add on some description, or you can add some stickers, or you can doodle it, or you can add some effects for your video. After making your video attractive by editing, tap on next. In the next section, you can edit cover by tapping on edit cover. Write caption for your video, tag people, add topics, rename your audio, and can also add location to your reel, and then tap on next button. Next, tap on share button to share your reels. Here you can see your reel has been posted on your profile. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.